والآن وصلنا معكم مشاهدينا الكرام لفقرتنا لغير الناطقين باللغة العربية، ويسعدنا نلتقي عبر الفيس تايم مع سيسيليا فرنانديز من جمهورية الهند الصديقة وهي تعمل ممرضة. First of all, Nurse Cecilia, welcome to our show. Good evening, Kuwait.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for inviting me.
You are most welcome, and thank you for joining us today in this evening in our show. Good evening, Kuwait. First of all, Nurse Cecilia, because we are facing this exceptional circumstance for approximately now 5 months, so what did you do in this pandemic?
During this pandemic, as a healthcare professional, following the needed precautionary measures provided by Ministry of Health, I also follow the practice of Ministry of Health, like wearing the complete PPE, such as mask, glove, gowns, caps, face shield, and I am protecting myself from not getting infected by being clean, health, and fit. Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome, and thank you for sharing this information for everyone who's watching us through the KTV1 on this live stream. سؤالي للضيفة كان عن ماذا فعلت في هذه الجائحة، وأجابت بإسهاب أنها طبقت الإجراءات الاحترازية للوقاية من مرض الكورونا. Because our guest Nurse Cecilia, we already see that how about the procedure of our beloved country, state of Kuwait, what they are dealing in this exceptional circumstance. So how do you see the precautions and procedures in the state of Kuwait to contain the virus?
Precautionary procedures in the state of Kuwait goes well effectively. The government take it seriously to fight the pandemic. Implementation of strict rules and regulations such as wearing masks and gloves, social distancing, and isolation of specific area where most infected cases are noted in order to control the impending rise of cases.
And also, we are very happy that we see that you are very optimistic, our guest today, Nurse Cecilia. And let me translate for our dear viewers watching us through the KTV1 on this live stream. سؤال للضيفة كان عن كيف ترين الإجراءات والاحترازات التي اتخذتها دولة الكويت للوقاية واحتواء الفيروس، وأجابت بإسهاب أنها أثنت وشكرت جهود دولة الكويت لاحتواء المرض. Let me focus more now, our guest Nurse Cecilia, about the citizens and residents. So what do you think about the commitment of medical procedures on the citizens and residents, Cecilia?
The citizens of Kuwait and experts are following the advice of Ministry of Health to wear masks in public places. Some even wear gloves and they observe social distancing. They are taking this pandemic seriously. As a nurse, I think health education to the community is the keynote in preventing this spread of disease. Thank you, sir.
You are most welcome, and on behalf of myself and the working crew, and even our colleagues Eid and Fatma, we are appreciate and gratitude everyone who's working in the first line in this exceptional circumstance. سؤالي للضيفة كان عن كيف ترين التزام المواطنين والمقيمين في الإجراءات الطبية أو الصحية، وأجابت أن كل من المواطنين والمقيمين ملتزمين في الإجراءات الطبية ويعملون يدا بيد لاحتواء المرض. Now, our guest, let me focus more about the medical awareness. So what are about the importance of medical awareness to prevent the disease, Cecilia?
Medical awareness is essentially because it will be help the early detection of possible cases. As some professionals say that 3 signs and symptoms that we look for is fever, fatigue, and dry cough. By having knowledge and individually known when the seek medical advice. Thank you, sir.
You are most welcome. And by the way, let me translate for our dear viewers who's watching us through the KTV1, the main channel on this live stream, and especially in our show, Good Evening Kuwait. سؤالي للضيفة كان عن أهمية الوعي الصحي للوقاية من مرض الكورونا، وأجابت أنه شيء مهم للحد من انتشار المرض. Now, our guest, let me go to another topic now, because we're already now speaking about the 5 phases till we go back to normal life. So what do you think about the 5 phases?
We are going to back to normal life. I think first phase is effective because it makes the number of cases decrease and increase the recoveries. The Ministry of Health did all their best for the community, safeness, security, and needed precaution that lead to going back to normal. Thank you, Kuwait.
You are most welcome, and thank you for being with us today. By the way, we are very sorry that our time is limited, so thank you very much for being with us today in the show. Good evening, Kuwait. We're speaking to Cecilia Fernandez. She's from the Republic of India, and she already working as a nurse in our beloved country, state of Kuwait. كانت معنا سيسيليا فرنانديز من جمهورية الهند الصديقة، وهي تعمل ممرضة. وملخص اللقاء أعزائي المشاهدين دار حول ماذا فعلت في هذه الجائحة، بالإضافة إلى أهمية التوعية الصحية للوقاية من مرض الكورونا. وصلنا معكم مشاهدينا الكرام لنهاية فقرتنا، ونكمل باقي فقرات برنامجكم مساء الخير. يكون